I'm Susan. Today I'm going to make some charms and dangles to add to a journal. It's just different kinds you can make, and it just kind of jazzes it up. And I've got some old jewelry that's been broken, some beads, and just some charms, just a few different things. So let's get started. First off, I need some pins to hold my charms, or to hold my beads on. Let's see what I've got. And it helps if you've got some jewelry tools. They're not necessary, but it really comes in handy. Yeah, and I'm going to want loops on both sides, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my charms, and I pulled aside some that I want on the bottom, but I'm going to add my beads first. So I'm going to go ahead and add some on. Just see what I got. Some of these necklaces are from my mom's back in the 70s, 60s. And I just decided to use them. I've always been a pearl girl. So I'm going to add pearl. And you can put as many or as few as you want, and just whatever colors you come across. I'm going to go with that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a little loop so that I can hook a jump ring on, and then it can come down like that. Let me straighten it up a little bit. My eyes are not the best. And then I'm just gonna clip that pin off at the top, or clip it to where I think I need it to make another loop, and twist it around. You want to make sure to kind of close that loop in so that your beads won't fall off. Okay, so now I've got my two little loops. So I'm going to make a few of these to get us started. I can't go too high because I have to have room to make the jump ring on the other side. Now I have this bit of chain that I thought would be pretty. So I need to find my jump rings. All right, and when you do your jump rings, you don't want to pull it. You just want to kind of just far enough to get your items on there like that. And I think I'm going to add my kitty cat on this one. This one's going to go in my journal. And so this represents my babies. And now we just want to close it back up. It's a small jump ring. Okay. And all you'll have to do then, add in a ball pen. You can add it with a ball pen. You can tie it on like at the bottom. You can put it on a paper clip. There's just so many different ways you can do this. These I'm going to probably, like this one, is I'm going to add it to my journal. I think I'm going to add it to the center. And I am just going to, first of all, I'm going to tie a little bow because I'm not going to hang one on both of them. I think I'm going to double knot that too. There we go. You can clip that. And I'm just going to feed that on there. I want it to be right about at the end of the book so that it will hang outside the book, and I'm just going to give it a double knot. And you got your little dingle dangle. That is cute. I may just use the one and I may just clip the rest of them instead of, I don't know. I'll have to decide. I'll have to think on it. Let's make some more, see what else we can do. I love this one, and I think I'm gonna add the ball pen to it, and I may add it to the front of my journal. I think I went like that. And all you have to do is just like clip that on a piece of lace or something. And see what we've got here. Let me find another jump ring. I wished I had some brass looking ones. All I've got are gold and silver jump rings, but they're really not that noticeable once you get them on. I'm gonna put it on this. Got some paper clips, and all you have to do is thread that on and just clip it like on your page. Clip it towards the end. Should have gave myself a little bit more right. Isn't that pretty? And this is a piece of broken, but I love the spacing of it. So I think on one end, I'm going to add a ball pen. Maybe put it on the spine of your journal. And on this end, let's find a pretty, that peacock's pretty. And let's find the jump ring for that. what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to add just a few meat bushy. Knock it over, baby. Excuse me. Okay, I'm back. But I think what I might do is just add a few beads along the way. I think what I might do is just add a couple onto a bulb chain, just to see what it looks like. It may not work out. It won't even fit, so scratch that idea. What I may do is just take another pen and add a few beads. And just kind of add along the bottom. Isn't that cute? Put one in the other spaces. Well, here they are. I really love how they turned out. I hope you do as well. I intended to make more of the little ones and not work so much on this one, but I really love this and I think it'll go great with my journal. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave me a comment, please. It helps my channel to grow. And until next time, bye y'all.